So hello guys, this is a tutorial how to retrofit the padding lights or door lights which are located under the door of Mercedes Benz W203. The result looks like this, and the light is going on when the light sensor is on dark mode and you open the door. What you have to do is buy the lights themselves. I bought some from China. They look like this, and they are LEDs. I have to modify them because the original cable wiring looks like this, and this is not compatible with the lights. But if you buy original lights, it will fit. So these are the original wires from Mercedes Benz, from local dealer. They are like €5 each, and you have to buy a pair of these. On one side there is original wire connector, which looks like this, but there is no place where to put it in. So you have to unplug here or disassemble this connector and remove these two wires just by clipping these two clips and push it out. And then you have to put these wires into this connector. On the right side of this connector there are pins 2 and 3, and these are the pins for the lights, for door lights. I will show you the numbers of the wiring. So these are the wirings number, and then you just have to go with the wire down here somewhere in this piece, and you have to cut off the hole into the door panel from the button, which is right here. There is just this cotton, and there is hole for it, and you have to just by the knife cut the hole here, and the light will fit here. I've already done the driver's side. Now I'm doing the passenger side, but the system is completely same. My lights from AliExpress are not positive or negative dependable, so it doesn't matter on which side you will put plus wire or minus wire. It will work on both sides. As I said, I have to modify it because I have to solder the wires to the pins, because the connectors of the original wires are a little bit bigger, and I have no way how to put it on, so I have to solder it. So this is everything you need, and good luck guys, bye.